Guys, Game Master 66 here, and you never guess what I found. Playing some Red Dead Redemption here, and I just found a glitch. I just did the train thing, saved the train. Oh, and he's down. Now, if you rewind that, you could see that he was hovering. Weird. It's looting. Ooh, he's got some rifle ammo. Anyway, quick update. I'll be doing some short videos like this on that. And let's go out with a bang. Straight on. And the horse. Don't play with me. Ah! Bump. Oh. Oh, he dead. Oh, my horse is dead. Let's skin him. Yes, let's end this with a skin. Look at that! That's disgusting. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Anyway, let's just shoot him in the head. Oh, look at that! That's disgusting. Yeah. Alright, see you later.